Hi guys, welcome to Selfless Gaming. I am Shashwato and I welcome you all. Today's video is something unique which we were planning, and apart from gaming, I thought that let's share a video that could be a bit out of the box. So I was doing a project of mine which was a personal voice assistant which I made. I named it DRAGNEEL upon my alias name. So let's start off with the video.
Good afternoon. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
What do you like the most?
I like to babble every time I'm free.
What is your age?
I am 11 days old.
So as you guys can see, whatever I ask DRAGNEEL, he instantly gives me a reply to that. So these are like the general questions that I asked to him. Apart from that, we could also ask him other queries, like you can also ask him to search anything in Google, Wikipedia, or YouTube. So let's check out how that works.
Good afternoon. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
Natsu DRAGNEEL Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Natsu Salamander DRAGNEEL, Japanese, Hepburn, Natsu Dragonairu, is a fictional character and protagonist of the fairy tale manga series created by Hiro Mashima. He appears in most fairy tale media, including both feature films, all original video animations, OVAs, light novels, and video games.
So as you could see that I requested DRAGNEEL to search about Natsu DRAGNEEL in Wikipedia, and he gave us a brief intro of what Wikipedia told. So if I search the same in Wikipedia, you would be finding the same thing. So apart from that, he can also search in YouTube, Google, anything that you want to search.
Good afternoon. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
Open YouTube.
YouTube opening, what do you want to search?
Selfless gaming. So as you could see that I requested DRAGNEEL to open YouTube. As a result, he opened YouTube and requested me to what I wish to search in YouTube. And I indicated him to search for selfless gaming, and he directly searched selfless gaming in YouTube. So also let's check it for Google.
Good afternoon. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
Open Google.
Google opening, what do you want to search?
Python programming. So as you could see, I only requested DRAGNEEL to search Python programming in Google, and he opened it. So apart from that, DRAGNEEL can also work on different stuffs. So let's check them out as well.
Good afternoon. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
Open Gmail.
Gmail opened.
So let's see if DRAGNEEL can search any particular emails in my Gmail account or not. So let's go.
Good evening. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
Search in Gmail.
What do you want to search?
Zomato. So as you guys can see, I requested Dragneel to search by the term Zomato in my Gmail account, and correspondingly he searched every mails having the term Zomato in it. So apart from all these functions, Dragneel is also capable of playing music. If I request him to play a random track, he would be choosing any random track out of my collection and would be playing the same. So let's check that out.
Good evening. I am Dragneel. How may I help you?
Play music. Play music again. So as you guys can see, every time I request Daniel to play music, he chooses a random track out of my collection and plays it for me. So this is how robust he is. So apart from all these tracks, Daniel is also capable of finding any geolocation we want to find in this space of Earth. So let's check.
Good evening. I am Dragneel. How may I help you?
Find location.
What is the location you wish to search for?
Chittaranjan. So as you guys can see, I just requested that to find Chittaranjan for me, and he showed me the geolocation map. Let's check it another time if he does it perfectly or not. Find location.
What is the location you wish to search for?
India. So yes, I requested him to find India, and he found India here. And as you guys can see that he printed out this stuff. This is because this is what I told you just before, and Dragneel was just listening to what I was saying. That's why. So apart from all these works that Dragneel can do, that is finding location, playing random music, searching anything in Google, YouTube, video, Wikipedia, and personal questions as well. Dragneel can also tell the current time, and Dragneel is customized in such a way that he would be greeting in the specific time zone. For example, if it is morning, he would be greeting good morning. If it is evening, that is after 5 o'clock, he would be greeting good evening. And if it is the afternoon time, that is after 12 o'clock, then he would be greeting good afternoon. So this is how Dragneel works. Not only that, if I request Dragneel to tell me what is the current time, he would be telling me the time as well. So let's see.
Good evening. I am Dragneel. How may I help you?
What is the time now?
The current time is 17 hours 20 minutes and 44 seconds.
So as you could see, Dragneel is also capable of telling me what is the current time as of now. Not only that, if I wish to open any applications, he can also open the same. The only thing we need to do is direct him, that is just order him.
Good evening. I am Dragneel. How may I help you?
Open paint. So here paint has been opened. Open snipping tool. Open snipping tool. Open C drive. So as you can see, he can do any day-to-day stuff in your computer that you wish to do. The only thing you need to do is request him the same. So these are some of the features Dragneel has. Apart from that, a very interesting feature that we have is that if you wish to send an email to someone, so all you need to do is just request Dragneel to about whom you want to send the email and what are the contents of the email, and he would be sending the email to the recipient automatically. So let's check that feature out as well.
Good evening. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
Send email to Selfless Gaming.
What should I write?
Hello, good evening to you.
Your email has been sent.
So guys, as you can see here, I just requested Dragneel to send an email to Selfless Gaming, the contents being hello, good evening to you. So let's check out if this email received to the recipient or not. So let's check that out as well. Here, as you can see, this is my recipient, this is the sender, and my recipient being Selfless Gaming, and the content that I wrote was hello, good evening to you. So as you can see, the flawless performance of Dragneel here is self-sufficient, and whatever you wish to ask or request Dragneel to search or any day-to-day stuff, he can. The only thing you need to do is just tell him, and he would correspondingly give you the result of your input. So that's how my own personal voice assistant Dragneel works.
Good evening. I am DRAGNEEL. How may I help you?
So Dragneel, thanks for all your time that you spared for us. So it's time for you to exit.
Thank you for your time. DRAGNEEL over and out.
So that's it, guys. This was all we had under our stock. So if you wish to add any features, or if you have any features in your mind, feel free to comment it out on our comment section.